A famous author once said how he goes about writing a book. You and I can learn a lot from this. He said that he collects all the information that he can over a period of time, so it might take months, but he'll just gather little pieces of information here and there, whether it be statistics or any bits of info that he can find on his subject. He slowly but surely collects them and also irons out the idea in his head. Then, when he goes to write it, he said, you have to write it all at once. He said you have to blitz it. He says he locks himself in his study, and for 2 weeks straight he does nothing but write until he's done. When he does it that way, he said all of the ideas flow better. They connect better. Old ideas connect with new ideas. And it, in so many words, gels. It comes out way better than if he did it over a long period of time because it's all fresh in his mind. Everything's right there so he can go about using it. This same method, but on a smaller scale, is exactly what you and I need to do when we create, practice, and deliver our presentations and speeches. From now on, make it a habit to create, practice, and deliver your speech all in a connected period of time. Here's what I mean. Just like that author, when you find out what you're going to be speaking on, start collecting little bits of information. Stories, ideas, facts, statistics, anything you need to be an expert on the subject. Collect it over however much time you have in advance, whether it be weeks, months, or even days. Then, when you go to make it all at once. Plan on creating it in a day or 2 days, depending on the size or length of what you're talking about is. But make it a focus to do nothing but it until it's done. Then once you create it, go about practicing it right away because it's all still fresh in your mind. All of your ideas will connect together and it'll fasten in your mind. It'll stay locked in better because your old ideas are connecting with your new ideas. Everything's gelling together and it all flows. Don't write it over a long period of time, but try to do it quicker and then go about practicing it and advancing it and enhancing it over time. This method will also help you get it all done early. That way you have plenty of time to practice and think over it before you give it. It'll lower some of your stress levels because you'll have more confidence. If you wait till the last minute, you could still do a good job, but keep in mind, again, your stress levels might be a little higher. So jump on it, get it done, and practice it over time. Build your confidence.